Hello guys, it's Chuck Grove with Foraging Truth. And today I'm in the lower part of my yard. Probably should have cut the grass once in the last 5 years. This is my blackberry patch. Of course, these are blackberries. You can tell by the stem and the leaf. And right here we have ironweed. I just like saying it like that. It's ironweed. So, has a lot of uses as well. But look right back here. Amongst our ironweed, our blackberries, we have jewelweed, otherwise known as touch-me-nots. This is a really dark orange-red color on this one. There are multiple different colors, but this is a seed pod. And this is one of the other names, touch-me-nots.
Flies out of your hands. Can't even hold it.
Can't even hold it. I just seeded more jewelweed. So these are the seeds pods of the touch-me-not plant, or the jewelweed. And you know, as kids, that one didn't even explode. Well, they fold up, or they fly apart. And then you have the seeds. So that's how the jewelweed drops its seeds. It's almost like the seed is made under tension. And you can just take and shake the plant and watch them all explode. But this is really good. You can make a poultice from these, from the stems and leaves, mash them up, and you can apply it directly to poison ivy, which is weird because poison ivy likes the same environment as jewelweed. Jewelweed is also edible, but you're going to want to read up and see which parts are. You're already on the internet looking up jewelweed. Jewelweed has a round leaf. The plant stem is green. It has these nice little lines in it. Gets these nodules right before the branches come out. It also seems to bend when it gets a leaf. You'll see that the branch bends. There's multiple different colors of jewelweed flower. You can see that it's a directional flower. They get to come in here and the pollinators pollinate these. And the seed pods are another great way of telling that you have the right plant. They explode when you touch them. You got this kind of flower and these kind of leaves. You have jewelweed. So you'll see how the roots come off the bottom of the jewelweed plant, really fibrous and nodulary at the base. And then it just comes out of the ground really easy. Then you get these knobs up the stem. You have these white or lighter green lines in the stem. And look how tall that plant is. Just pulled that out of the ground. It's got to be 5 foot tall. Multiple different uses. A weed that can grow in your yard. You can treat your poison ivy. Why would you want to get rid of the weeds out of your yard? So guys, get out in the creation. Find some jewelweed. If you got poison ivy, make a poultice, put on it. See if it works for you. So guys, jewelweed, touch-me-nots, pauper plants. Make sure you get out in this creation. See what God has given us. Find out you have food in your backyard and medicine. Grow your own weed bed and just see what comes up. Stuff from your area. And always keep foraging.